Across Kenya, a major shift is underway. President William Ruto's administration is pushing an ambitious and rapid privatization program, aiming to sell off key state corporations at an unprecedented pace. From vital infrastructure to essential services, the government believes these sales will attract investment, reduce debt, and boost the economy. But the speed of this divestiture is raising profound questions. While the president assures efficiency and growth, a growing chorus of legal experts, human rights advocates, and ordinary citizens are sounding the alarm, fearing a rapid sell-off of national assets without adequate safeguards. The privatization rush has already hit a major legal roadblock. In September 2024, the High Court of Kenya nullified the crucial Privatisation Act 2023. The court ruled that the legislation failed to meet constitutional standards for meaningful public participation and granted excessive power to the executive, bypassing vital parliamentary oversight. This landmark ruling emphasized that processes impacting public assets must be transparent and constitutionally compliant. The government's continued push, despite this setback, raises concerns about respecting the rule of law. From a human rights perspective, the most immediate fear is the impact on livelihoods. Privatization often leads to massive job losses as new owners streamline operations, devastating families already grappling with a high cost of living. Many state corporations provide essential, affordable services. When privatized, profit motives can lead to steep price hikes, placing basic necessities out of reach for vulnerable Kenyans and undermining socio-economic rights. Human rights organizations are calling for robust social safety nets and fair compensation, fearing that a rushed process will leave thousands vulnerable, deepening poverty and inequality across the nation. Lack of transparency and genuine public participation in such massive transactions is a human rights concern in itself. It can lead to corruption, where national wealth is diverted into private pockets, rather than benefiting the people. Societally, these state corporations are more than just businesses, they are part of Kenya's national patrimony, built with taxpayer money over decades. A rapid sell-off can feel like a betrayal of collective ownership. The controversies and legal setbacks have deepened a trust deficit. Many Kenyans are wary that the process is not truly for the national good but for the benefit of a select few, further alienating citizens from governance. Concerns also exist about national sovereignty. Critics argue that selling strategic assets, especially under external pressure from international financial institutions, could diminish Kenya's control over its own economic destiny. The historical context of past problematic privatizations fuels this skepticism. Kenyans recall instances where public assets were allegedly undervalued or sold to politically connected individuals, fostering ongoing public mistrust. For true justice, the government must prioritize transparency, ensure robust and independent asset valuation, and guarantee that all sales are conducted with the highest levels of integrity and accountability. Crucially, meaningful public participation is non-negotiable. Citizens must be genuinely involved in decisions about their national assets, ensuring their voices are heard and their concerns addressed. Furthermore, human rights must be at the forefront. The privatization process must not compromise access to affordable essential services or lead to widespread job losses without adequate social protection. Kenya stands at a critical juncture. The path forward demands a more inclusive, deliberative, and constitutionally compliant approach to national asset management, ensuring prosperity for all, not just a few. Thank you for watching. If our video resonated with you, please like and subscribe to stay updated. Join our community in the comments to share your insights and foster discussions that drive positive change. See you next time.